Hi everyone, it's Evie with an acrylic pour experiment. Okay, so I am using Otter Soft paints with Floetrol and water. And I have them in these containers. Today I'm using, so today we'll start with, oh, I spilled some paint. Oh well. I'll start with blue. Blue all around. Okay. I'll put in some white. Okay. I'll throw in some of this violet color. Okay. Where is my red? I'll throw in some red. Okie dokie. Now I'm gonna put in some more white. That's probably too much white. Too much white, too much white, too much white. So let's try tilting and see what happens. Oh, I've got way too much paint on this canvas. My violet and my red are not really anywhere to be seen, so let's put in some violet and red. Let's put some violet all over. Put in some red. That is interesting. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Ooh, not bad. Very interesting. Okay, that corner has no paint on it. We'll do violet. Interesting. Let's put some violet down here. Huh. Interesting. I am wasting a lot of paint. Okay. Ooh. I think I'll stop right here, because that is very interesting. Huh. I wonder, let's try some heat, see what happens if we add some heat to this. Looks like we got a few cells, not that many though. Interesting effect. Very interesting. interesting. Okay, I like this corner right here. This top corner. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah. These colors. It got muddy in a few places. And then we have some cells down here. Not very many cells though. Well, that's because there is no Floetrol in this. I mean, not Floetrol, I'm sorry. There is no silicone in the paints. It's just Floetrol and water. So that's probably why there aren't very many cells. But this is very interesting. I've never tried it this way before, and I've got some interesting effects. Okay, thank you for watching.